Hello class, my name is Uncle Wisdom. Today's class, we're going to be discussing on the greatest common factor, simply known as highest common factor, that is HCF. So, we recall that a factor of a number are those numbers that can evenly divide that particular number without remainder. Example: example 1. Find the factors of 64. To find the factors of 64 now, that is 64 divided by 1, of course, is 64. 64 divided by 2 is 32. 64 divided by 3 cannot go. 64 divided by 4 will give us 16, sorry. 64 divided by 5 cannot go. 64 divided by 6 cannot go. 64 divided by 7 cannot go. But 64 divided by 8, 64 divided by 8 will give us 8. So, no number again can divide it until we get to 16. 64 divided by 16. That will give us 4. When you look at the number, I see that a lot of numbers has occurred well. Like this one, we have gotten occurrences. Factors has repeated. Therefore, we can now factor out the factors of 64. This implies that 1, 2, 4, 8, then 16, 32, and 64 are factors of 64. So that is the highest common factor. That is where we are going now. Then with example 2, we're going to use it to explain what we mean by factor, the common factor, and the greatest common factor. So there we go with example 2. Example 2. Find the HCF of 30 and 105. So we shall solve it with two methods and use this also to explain factor, common factors, and greatest common factors. So the first method, 30 and 105. 30 divided by 2 will have 15. 105 divided by 2 cannot go. Then 3 can go. 15 divided by 3 will have 5. 105 divided by 3, we have 35. 5 can go. 5 into 5 will give us 1. And 35 divided by 5, we have 7. 7. 1 divided by 7 cannot go. And 7 divided by 7 is 1. This implies that we now take the ones that divide both numbers without remainder. 3 divided 30, but 2 divided 30 but did not divide this one. Therefore, 2 is not among. 3 divided 15 and also divided 105. Therefore, 3 is among. Multiplied by 5 divided 5 into 1 and at the same time divided 35 into 7. Therefore, 5 is among. 7 divided 7 but could not divide 1. It then means that 3 multiplied by 5, that is 15. This is the greatest common factor. Are we following? So, we'll now use the second method by factorization to check if this answer is correct, and at the same time use it to understand what we mean by common factors and the greatest common factor. The second method is by factorization. So we now take 30 divided by 1 is equal to 30. 30 divided by 2 is equal to 15. 30 divided by 3 is equal to 10. 30 divided by 4 cannot go. 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. And 30 divided by 6 is equal to 5. Factors as repeated. We now take 105 divided by 1 is equal to 105. 105 divided by 2 cannot go. 105 divided by 3 is equal to 35. 105 divided by 4 cannot go. 105 divided by 5 is equal to 21. 105 divided by 6 cannot go. 105 divided by 7 is equal to 1, 5. 105 divided by 8 cannot go. 105 divided by 9 cannot go. 105 divided by 10 cannot go. 105 divided by 11 cannot go. 105 divided by 12 cannot go. 105 divided by 13 cannot go. 105 divided by 14 cannot go. But 105 divided by 15 will give us 7. Factors as repeated. We have here and we have it here also. It has repeated. This implies that factors of 30 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, and 30. These are factors of 30. Then, factors of 105 or 2. That is 1, 2 is not there, 3, 5, 7, 15, 21, 35, and 105. These are factors of 30, and these ones are factors of 105. So for us to get the common factors among the two numbers, we check the numbers. This implies that their common factors equal to 1 appeared here and 1 appeared here, therefore 1 is among. 2 appeared here, but there's no 2 here. 3 appeared here, 3 appeared here, 3 is among. 5 appeared here and 5 appeared here, 5 is among. 6 appeared here, but there's no 6 here. 7 appeared here, no 7 here. 10 appeared here, no 10 here. 15 appeared here, and there is 15 here. There's no other numbers that appear. It then means that the common factors between 30 and 105 are 1, 3, 5 are common factors. Then, for us to get the greatest common factor of the two numbers, 15 is the number that is the greatest. Therefore, 15 is the HCF. That is our answer. So, when you compare this method with the other one, you see that we arrive at the same answer. So that is that for that. I will give you an exercise. When you get home, do well to try it so that in the next class, while we are solving it, we'll carry you along. Exercises. Find the HCF of A, 36, 60, and 72. B, 11, 24, and 30. That is that for today's topic. In the next class, we'll look at the exercises. If you're new here, please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Like and also comment. Share it to your loved ones and family. Till we see in the next class. God bless you.